So just so you all know, we are going Facebook Live. So everybody say hi to, say hi to Interior Design Society Long Island chapter. Say hi, Dee.
Say hi. Okay,
Dee's busy working now.
Okay, so Lisa, say hi. What are we doing here today?
Hi, today we're going to be covering some headboards that were donated from Symmetry Closets. We're going to upholster them for all the bedrooms. We have a queen and we have 2 full-size beds coming to us.
So who gave us the
The
fabric?
fabric was donated by Cravat and it's beautiful.
Fantastic. So we're going to have matching pillows and curtains and...
Window treatments, we are going to have pillows, everything to go in with the rooms to make them feel very, very comfortable when you enter your bedroom.
Excellent. So who do we have here today? We have Sandra.
And then we have Ruth, and we have Dee Manico, and Sandra's husband Keith is joined in the fun too.
Hey Keith, say hi to Long Island chapter of Interior Design Society.
I'm here to help.
Thank you for helping out. And the wood was actually donated by Atlantic Plywood.
Okay.
So that's really cool. So yay, go chapter! I'll be back. Let's see what NARI's doing. Hey there. Say hi, Lawrence.
Hi, Lawrence. Hi, IDS.
So what? And NARI, what are we doing here today?
Well, we're working on getting the bathroom ready for tiling next week.
Okay.
At a home on Long Island for a Purple Heart veteran.
Excellent. So we have John Hogan here.
John Hogan,
We're getting done so Lawrence can go to Ireland.
So we have the bathroom all green boarded out, and we've got piping and rough plumbing, and this is great. So this is the main bathroom, right?
Some cement board.
This will be the house bathroom, yes.
Wow, this is exciting. And then we're
Yes.
standing there in the bathtub?
Well,
Was that what we
apparently
were?
there's a tub there, yes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what's going on in here?
Well, we've also started to...
Oh, we got wiring?
No, we've actually changed these doors out and new moldings
wow.
to give them from something that's very dated.
Oh, that looks so much better. That really
yeah.
looks great. Fantastic. And then what's going on in here?
Open the doors.
Say hi to Miss Long Island and NARI.
Everybody, away from the desk. I hope I remember how to do this.
So what's going on in this bathroom over here?
Oh,
Are we rocking yet, or?
You can only rock one bathroom at a time.
Okay, just asking. It's just so exciting to have all
And then
this
we've also,
activity.
if you come this way, we've also changed out these doors. So now you have some nice new colonial doors
That
instead
looks
of
great.
the old that used to look like that color or orange.
Yes. Yes. So we're gonna have some nice closets back there. I know some.
Well, I know somebody that's sort of getting a camera in her hand that she tells me she does closets, so.
Fantastic.
Oh, good.
Thank you, Lawrence.
Okay.
Say hello, Eric.
Hello, everybody. No, I'm Eric. I don't say hello to Eric.
Thanks, guys.
Good to see you.
Say hi, Steve. We're live on Facebook Live, IDS Long Island, NARI, Long Island, New York City. All right, a lot of activity. Hey there. Say hi, Jason.
Hello!
Fantastic. Thanks, guys.